How to make your dreams a reality. First step. Set goals. But why setting goals matters? Because goals give us direction and purpose. And it helps us to stay focused and motivated. Second step. Always set effective goals. Make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to be rich, set a specific and measurable goal like I want to save $10,000 by the end of the year. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Example, if you want to start a business, break it down into steps like researching your market, creating a business plan, and finding funding. Create a plan of action with a timeline and milestones to track progress. Example, you want to learn a new language? Create a plan to study for 30 minutes every day and take a language course every week. Third step. Visualize achieving your goals. Imagine yourself already having achieved your goals. Close your eyes and picture yourself running a successful business, speaking a new language fluently, or traveling the world. Picture the emotions and feelings that come with it. Imagine the pride, joy, and satisfaction you'll feel when you achieve your goals. It helps you stay motivated and focused. When you visualize yourself succeeding, you'll be more motivated to work towards your goals every day. Fourth step. Stay positive and be persistent. Success takes time and effort. Don't give up if you face setbacks or obstacles along the way. Keep pushing forward and stay positive. Surround yourself with supportive people. Find friends and family members who believe in you and your goals, and ask for their support and encouragement. Celebrate your successes along the way. Celebrate small milestones and achievements along the way, no matter how big or small they may be. Fifth step. Get started today. What are you waiting for? Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Start taking action on your goals today, no matter how small the steps may be. Start setting your goals and create a roadmap to success. Example, write down your goals, break them down into smaller steps, and create a plan of action with a timeline. With the right mindset and plan in place, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So there you have it, folks. Goal setting and 5-step process to achieve your dreams in a nutshell. Remember, success is within reach, and with the right plan in place, you can make your dreams a reality. So, go out there and start taking action on your goals today.